Nakoy malusutan dito, paingon? Diretso lang? Sunod na ipagatpat, ana? Construction crew here. I'm checking this, no? Inaayos ko na nila. Tingnan natin. Okay, yun. Finally, there's a pickup. No? Baka DPWH yan. Let's see. Dinaan natin si Wigo here. Hindi naman raining situation. So lusot na dito is the barangay Pagatpat. So yan yung ano to. There's a bridge down. Tingnan natin. What is this? Tingnan natin. Completion. Triparco. This is bypass diversion road. CPD Cagayan to Lagindingan. Dito na. From airport, from Pueblo de Oro to Lagindingan. Project. Let us see. Lusot na. This is Pagatpat na portion. Maganda. Hindi sana natin baka basta kata. Yun. Let's see. May mga kambing. Gaya siya. Nice one, Vigo. Okay, grabe. Labas na, finally. I think kasado na to.